We'll start by creating a cone. We'll eliminate the base cap and set radius 2 to 0.13 and the depth to 2.7. These aren't critical values, they just happen to be close to the size of the original model. In edit mode, we'll select the vertices around the small opening and create a grid fill. Now we'll select the center vertex in the newly created part of the mesh, switch on proportional editing, and move the selected vertex in the Z direction, ensuring that the proportional editing sphere of influence is large enough to cover the whole of the top area. Changing the proportional fall-off type to sphere will give us the shape we are after. We'll repeat the whole process again at the larger opening. Selecting all of the edges on the side of the cone, we'll subdivide them 4 times and then slide each loop of new edges into the required positions. After remembering to switch off proportional editing, we'll scale each loop to get the profile we're after. Now we are almost finished. Returning to object mode, we can apply smooth shading, adjusting the angle to get the overall result we want. I'll leave it to you to rename, apply scale, adjust the origin, etc.